Welcome to Affiliate Marketing Mastery. In today's digital world, affiliate marketing is one of the most dynamic and profitable ways to grow your income online. It's all about connecting people with the products and brands they love and earning commissions by sharing valuable recommendations with your audience. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or just getting started, affiliate marketing can help you boost your earnings and build a business that fits your lifestyle and goals. Over the next 40 days, we're launching a challenge designed to help you master affiliate marketing step by step. This isn't about shortcuts or overnight riches. It's about learning proven strategies and taking focused action. You'll discover how to put in the work, stay dedicated, and watch your results grow as you apply what you learn. In this challenge, we'll focus on two powerful moves that can transform your affiliate marketing journey. First, you'll learn how to maximize what's already working for you, and then discover how to expand your reach by exploring new platforms and audiences. Are you ready to take action and unlock your affiliate marketing potential? Let's get started. Ready to unlock the secret strategies of top affiliate marketers? Let's dive in, starting with the foundation: choosing the right niche. Find a niche that excites you, but also has proven demand and passionate audiences. Research trending topics, analyze competitors, and look for gaps you can fill with your unique perspective. Next, content is king. Whether it's blogging, videos, or social posts, create value-packed content that solves real problems for your audience. Use your analytics to see what topics and formats resonate most. Now let's talk about SEO, search engine optimization. Optimize your headlines, descriptions, and keywords to get discovered. Focus on high-intent keywords that drive clicks and craft compelling calls to action that boost conversions. Track your commissions and see which content brings the best results. Another secret: build relationships. Network with other creators, join affiliate communities, and collaborate for greater reach. Share insights, exchange tips, and support each other's growth. The more you connect, the more opportunities you'll uncover. Finally, master your analytics. Dive deep into your data to spot trends, test new ideas, and double down on what works. Use performance reports to refine your strategy and stay ahead of the curve. Remember, affiliate marketing success isn't about luck. It's about smart moves, consistent action, and always learning. Apply these secret strategies and you'll be on your way to turning your efforts into mega results. Ready to take action? Let's get started. Let me tell you about Emily, a healthcare blogger who started with just a handful of readers. She decided to take action, writing honest reviews and sharing her personal journey with wellness products. Emily focused on creating content that truly helped her audience, answering their questions and recommending only what she believed in. She learned to use SEO, optimizing her blog posts so people searching for solutions could find her advice. Within a few months, Emily saw her traffic and commissions soar. Her secret? Consistency, authenticity, and always putting her readers first. Then there's Mark, a tech reviewer who started filming simple gadget reviews in his bedroom. Mark posted his videos on YouTube, Instagram, and even TikTok, reaching new audiences with every platform. He paid attention to what his viewers wanted, answering their questions, testing products they suggested, and always being honest. Mark's following grew, and so did his affiliate earnings, all because he focused on building trust and delivering value. Whether you're writing, filming, or sharing on forums like Quora, the key is to provide real answers and help people solve their problems, just like Emily and Mark did. Think of every platform as a place where someone is searching for guidance. Your story, your expertise, can make a difference. Become that trusted voice, and you'll see your influence and your results grow. Find the questions your audience is asking, give thoughtful answers, and share your affiliate links only when it truly helps. Remember, it's about adding value first. Commissions follow when you build trust. And don't overlook communities like Reddit, where Mark found some of his most loyal fans. Every platform has its own vibe, but the formula is the same. Be real, be helpful, and connect with people. Find the right communities, join the conversation, and share your knowledge generously. Build relationships, just like Emily did in her wellness groups and Mark did in tech forums. The secret is authenticity. People can tell when you genuinely want to help. Engage, listen, and be part of the community. Share your experiences and insights, not just your links. When you focus on helping others, your affiliate marketing can become a true game changer, just like it did for Emily and Mark. Forums and online communities are powerful places to connect, share, and grow your influence. They offer a space for real conversations and lasting relationships, perfect for affiliate success. When you become a trusted member, people will seek out your recommendations. So find your niche forums, join in, and start making a difference, one post at a time. Be helpful, be present, and watch your results grow. Only share your affiliate links when it truly adds value to the conversation. It might seem like a lot of work, but every success story starts with intentional action and targeted effort. Diversifying your platforms, just like Emily and Mark, is one of the best ways to future-proof your affiliate business. By reaching out on multiple platforms, you open doors to new audiences and new opportunities. If one platform changes, you'll have others to rely on, just like the pros do. And think of all the new people you'll inspire and help along the way. Every platform has its own unique audience, so by expanding your reach, you multiply your chances for success. Take action, stay focused, and you could be the next affiliate marketing success story. The first step to affiliate marketing mastery? Set a clear, inspiring goal for what you want to achieve in the next 40 days. Write it down, visualize your success, and commit to making it happen. Next, develop a simple, focused plan. Break your big goal into small daily actions. Map out what you'll learn, what you'll create, and how you'll track your progress. Invest in yourself. Watch online courses, find a mentor, or join a community to accelerate your learning. Every day, create and share content that helps your audience, whether it's a blog post, video, or social update. Track your results, use analytics to see what's working, and adjust your strategy as you go. Celebrate every win, no matter how small, and keep moving forward with determination. Remember, growth comes from consistent action and learning from every step. You have everything you need to succeed. Just start and don't stop. I believe in you. This is your moment to shine. Are you ready to begin your 40-day mastery challenge? Let's make these next 40 days the start of something incredible. Your growth, your success, your story. Take the first step today. Set your goal, make your plan, and take action. The possibilities are limitless. Your journey starts now. I can't wait to see what you achieve. Let's go make affiliate marketing history together.